Alright, so no luck getting a hold of the folks at Axeman Anderson. They're probably off. It is 2 days after Christmas and Friday afternoon, but here's what we got. So that ring in there, see those 3 holes in it, they're threaded, and this ring has 3 corresponding holes, and of course where is it? Somewhere around here is the packing ring. But I managed to lose it. Anyway, here's the old one. You can see these have 1, 2, 3 holes in them also. So, I think I'm going to assume that maybe that's the right way that it goes. Maybe that's why I had so many coal chips coming out of this thing. I don't know. I'll put it back together. The screws have seen better days though. 2 of them don't look too bad. No, it's not that good. They're just flathead, so if they get stuck in there, it's going to be a big problem. So we're going to grease them up real good and probably find some new ones. Okay, more later.